Hey everyone, it's Miss Chrisman here and my helper Ava today. So today we are going to be making some slime. For this activity you are going to need white glue. We're using this white glue. You will also need baking soda, contact solution, and food color.
And some measuring cups.
You also need a half cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon. You also need a mixing bowl.
And we need a spoon.
You also need a spoon. So your first step is to add half a cup of glue or a whole 4-ounce bottle of glue into the bowl. Then add your food coloring. So right now Ava's going to add the half a cup of glue into the bowl.
Of this. Right there.
Make sure you fill the half cup. Alright, once your measuring cup is full, you can pour the glue into the bowl. Then you want to try to scrape out all of the glue into the bowl. Now that you have your glue in, you have to decide what color you want.
No, let's do purple.
Ava chose purple.
We're going to do 3 or 2 drops.
1, 2, 3.
Make sure you don't get it everything because it will stain.
It will stain. Mix, mix, mix.
If you want it darker, you can always add 1 more.
After you mix, you're going to mix in a half a tablespoon of baking soda. And then keep mixing.
May want 2 people to do this.
Next step is to mix in 1 tablespoon of contact solution.
This one? Now you don't want to overact it because then it won't turn out. Like that one time we added too much.
So you keep mixing until it starts to form a ball. You might want to start to use your hands to put it all together.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with this.
Try to scrape out the bowl of all the extra. You can also add in glitter or beads during this time.
Or you might want to do it while you might also want to do it while you add the glue because it might be easier than like this.
And now you have
Dang.
slime. You might want to use an old container to store it in.
Or a bag. Whatever works.
All right. Thanks for joining us. See you soon.